Welcome back to Auto Rush Pro. Today, we're diving into one of the boldest and most powerful entries in the luxury motorhome world, the 2026 Barabus Motorhome. This isn't your typical RV. Barabus has taken everything you thought you knew about motorhomes and redefined it with speed, luxury, and sheer road dominance. If you ever imagined a supercar fused with a five-star suite on wheels, this is it. Right from the first glance, the 2026 Barabus makes a statement. The exterior design is aggressive yet elegant, with carbon fiber elements strategically placed to reduce weight while adding a high-performance edge. The front end carries that signature Barabus grille wide, low, and intimidating. It rides on massive 24-inch alloy wheels, specially designed for both off-road capability and on-road comfort. With integrated LED matrix headlights, aerodynamic body lines, and a matte titanium finish that gleams under sunlight, this motorhome screams performance even when parked. The retractable steps, automatic awnings, and full-length panoramic glass panels along the sides only add to its visual dominance. And functionality. Step inside and you're transported into a different world. The interior of the Barabus Motorhome 2026 is like stepping into a futuristic luxury suite. The cabin is lined with Italian leather, Alcantara suede, and brushed aluminum accents. Smart ambient lighting adapts to the time of day and mood settings. At the center of the living space is a voice-controlled entertainment system with a massive 85-inch 8K OLED TV, 3D surround sound, and satellite connectivity. The kitchen is no afterthought either. It features a full induction cooktop, dual smart refrigerators, a self-cleaning oven, and even a built-in coffee robot that prepares cafe-style drinks on command. The bedroom area is soundproofed and features a king-size smart bed that adjusts to your sleeping posture in real time. There's also a walk-in closet with an integrated wardrobe system and a full-sized mirror that doubles as an interactive touchscreen for weather, wardrobe suggestions, and news updates. The bathroom, think more spa than RV, with heated marble flooring, rainfall and mist shower options, Japanese smart toilet, and a mini steam sauna. It completely eliminates the typical idea of roughing it. But don't let the luxury fool you. This Barabus still carries its high-performance DNA. Underneath the hood, it packs a twin-turbocharged V12 engine pushing out over 1,200 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. This motorhome can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds, making it one of the fastest in its class, if not the fastest ever built. Despite its massive size, it features adaptive air suspension, torque vectoring all-wheel drive, and carbon ceramic brakes, giving it the kind of road handling usually reserved for sports cars. On the highway, it glides effortlessly, and even when climbing steep hills or cruising through desert terrain, the Barabus maintains a smooth, composed ride. Advanced eye-assisted driving helps with lane changes, adaptive cruise control, obstacle detection, and autonomous parking even in tight camping spots. And it's not just power, it's smart. The onboard computer learns your driving habits, preferred routes, and even adjusts climate settings based on your usual preferences. All this luxury and performance does come with a price tag. The base model starts at around $2.5 million, and with custom upgrades and personalization, the cost can easily exceed $3 million. But then again, you're not just buying a motorhome. You're investing in a mobile mansion with the heart of a hypercar and the soul of a luxury jet. So if you're looking to turn every road trip into a supercar-powered, 5-star experience, the 2026 Barabus Motorhome might just be your ultimate dream ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you'd ride in this beast. And if you think this is impressive, wait till you see what we've got lined up next on Auto Rush Pro.